Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of importing Blender files into your scene. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have Blender open. The steps are simple and easy to follow. First, clear your scene by selecting everything. You can do this by pressing A to highlight all objects and then hitting Delete, or by right-clicking, selecting everything, and manually deleting it. Next, head over to the File menu, scroll down to Import, and select the appropriate file type. For this demonstration, we're using a GLB file format, which is widely used for free assets available online. Locate the file on your computer. In this case, I'm working with a VW Volvan asset in GLB format. Once you find it, select the file and click Import. After the import is complete, your file will appear in the scene, ready for editing. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.